Introduction to Commercial Bank. Hello Vidya, how are you?
I'm good, Baba.
Vidya, today we will study an interesting topic, commercial bank.
Okay, I'm ready to learn.
A commercial bank is an institution that deals in money and its substitutes and provides other money-related services. In its role as a financial intermediary, a bank accepts deposits and makes loans. A bank attracts deposits at a lower cost or interest rates. At the same time, it is able to lend the same to others at a higher price or interest. For example, a bank may attract deposits at a particular time, 0 to 9%, depending on the types of deposits. Lend the same 4 to 15%, depending upon the risk assessment, tenure, and government policies. The bank then earns a margin from the differential of the interest rates.
But sir, why do people and agencies do not lend to each other so that lender gets a higher interest rate and the person taking the loan gets to pay a lesser interest rates?
Focus Vidya. The reasons are as follows. Number 1. Lending risk. All the loan transactions depend on the two factors: ability to pay and willingness to pay. Banks, especially in India, are owned or at least regulated by the government and the RBI. So there is negligible risk for the lender on account of ability to pay. Similarly, there is little or no problem on account of willingness to pay, as the entire business of the bank is dependent upon its goodwill. Whereas in case of a private individual, there is a lot of risk on account of both the factors, that is, ability and willingness to pay. Vidya, now come to the next point. Matching and conversion of lenders and borrowers' requirements regarding time and quantity. One person may require short-term loan and the lender may want to lend long-term or vice versa. One person may want to lend small amount and the other may want to borrow a large amount and vice versa. The bank may take small deposits from a lot of people and lend them to a large borrower and vice versa. Similarly, a bank may take several long-term deposits and give short-term loans to others and vice versa.
I got it.
Conspicuously present. Banks are easy to locate, but different lenders and borrowers are not.